In this video, I will show you how to connect a Namecheap domain to Replit. To do this, first open up Replit and just go to the app that you want to connect your domain to. So for example, I'll use this one right here. Then what you will need to do first is to publish this app. So in the top right of your app, just gonna publish it. And in order to publish it, you will need to have one of their paid plans. Otherwise, you cannot publish the app and you can only connect a custom domain when the app is published. Now, once you have published your app, you can then go to domains right here. Then here you want to click on manually connect from another registrar. Then here you can enter the domain name that you have on Namecheap. If you're not sure, just open up Namecheap and go to account here and click dashboard, and then you may need to sign into your account. And from there, go to your domain list in the left menu and just find the domain that you want to connect to your Replit app. So for example, for me, danimakestutorials.online, then just click manage on that domain. So for now, you can simply copy this and then on Replit, paste it in here and click next. Then you will get an A record and a TXT record. And now you need to update your DNS records to these ones. And I'll show you how to do that. So first you have an A record with hostname @. For now, just copy the record right here and open up Namecheap. Then go to your advanced DNS here and delete any existing DNS records that you don't need. So this right here was connecting to something else. I'm just going to delete those. Now click add new record and first add an A record. For the host, type in @ and the IP address, paste in what you just copied and click save changes. Now we're going to do the same thing with a TXT record. Hostname is again @. Then here copy this section and open up Namecheap, add a new record. Now select a TXT record, type in the host @ and then paste in the value, which is Replit verify, then save changes, and now you have added both the required DNS records. So now go back to Replit and click link domain. Then it will start verifying the domain. Now, as you can see right here, this can take up to 48 hours, which is the DNS update time. And if you're wondering about the security certificates, they are provided by Replit, so you don't need to worry about that. So usually it will be done in a few hours, often even in 20 minutes, but it can take up to 48 hours. So be patient, and eventually when you click on your domain and open it up, it will then be redirecting you to your actual Replit app. For now, it will say your connection is not private, since Replit hasn't yet gotten the SSL certificate for the safety. But basically, if you go to domains and it says verified or connected, it will then have worked. Now, if you want to check for now, just go to dnschecker.org, type in your domain, so for me danimakestutorials.online, set it to an A record first and click search. Then you should see the same thing right here everywhere. Now some of them are still updating, but this is the thing we copied earlier. Then go with the same for TXT and click search, and then again it will have all of these check marks for the Replit verified section, which we added earlier. So by doing that, you know that you did it correctly. So then it's just a matter of time. So now you know how to connect your Namecheap domain to Replit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.